Well, as you mentioned, not only do you have the grime on the car, you may have noticed this on the roads. Potholes are already popping up everywhere.
And the crews are working to fill them as fast as they can. In fact, they are expected to be out there again today doing just that. Sunrise reporter Chris Kirshner is live with where they're working and what they're doing to make sure you've got a smooth ride in. Chris, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Julia. You know, this is the time of year our teeth should be chattering from the cold. Instead, in many cases, they're chattering from running over potholes like this one. And you know what? I didn't have to go very far. This is right outside our studio here on 11th Street near Meridian. And take a look at this. I'm going to stay out of traffic, but look at this. 1, 2, about 3 feet long. It's probably about 2 feet wide. These are the potholes that are popping up already, and crews are already out trying to fill them up as fast as they can. And here's why. They're already out instead of getting out the snowplows, because we've had these dramatic changes in temperature. I'm going to get up here on the sidewalk, by the way, because traffic is starting to come. But we've got those extreme mild temperatures to the extreme cold, back to the mild temperatures again. And that's what causes the breaks in the road. Not as many this year, though, because it's been a mild winter and it's still very early in the year. But crews are still using any warm days they can to fill in the gaps. The question we have for you is, are they getting the job done?
I haven't ran into any potholes lately. Not like last year. Last year was ridiculous, but this year's it's pretty good.
I've changed the wheel bearings and the control arms in my car twice in the last 2 years.
Right now, it's a temporary patch until the hot mix asphalt plants start up again. They don't open up again until the spring. Now, the city is working on the most used and weathered roads. Again, this is at 11th and Meridian Street, so it might take some time for them to get to us, but you can help them out. They've got this great website where you can not only report a pothole, but you can check their progress, how many they're getting done. And we have a link to that at our website. Check it out at WTHR.com. We're going to keep tabs of the potholes here around the city, Bruce and Julia, but for now, we'll send it back to you.